Welcome to our Easter Baking Extravaganza. Today, we're diving into the festive world of Easter-themed baking, where we'll be whipping up some delightful treats that will surely impress your family and friends. Join me as we embark on this culinary adventure together. Before we begin, let's talk about the essence of Easter baking and the joy it brings to the holiday season. Easter baking is all about creating delicious treats that capture the spirit of renewal and celebration. Our first recipe is the classic hot cross buns. These spiced fruity buns are a staple of Easter brunches and gatherings. I'll share my secret tips for achieving the perfect texture and flavor, as well as how to master that iconic cross topping. Next up, we'll be making adorable Easter nest cupcakes. These cute treats are not only delicious, but also fun to decorate. I'll demonstrate how to create the nest topping using chocolate and shredded coconut, and we'll add some colorful candy eggs for that extra Easter touch. For a refreshing twist, we'll be baking a lemon blueberry bundt cake. Bursting with bright flavors and juicy berries, this cake is sure to be a hit at any Easter gathering. I'll share my tips for achieving a moist and flavorful cake every time. No Easter celebration is complete without some festive sugar cookies. In this step, I'll show you how to make Easter-themed sugar cookies and decorate them with royal icing in vibrant colors and fun designs. Carrot cake is a beloved Easter classic, and we'll be making a show-stopping version with luscious cream cheese frosting. I'll guide you through the process of baking a moist and flavorful carrot cake and how to achieve the perfect creamy frosting. Let's get creative with our baking and make some adorable Easter bunny bread rolls. These whimsical rolls will bring a smile to everyone's face at the Easter table. I'll demonstrate how to shape the dough into bunny shapes and bake them to golden perfection. Chocolate lovers rejoice. In this step, we'll be making indulgent chocolate Easter egg brownies. These rich and fudgy brownies are studded with chocolate eggs for a delightful Easter twist. I'll share my secrets for achieving that irresistible, gooey texture. For a centerpiece dessert, we'll be baking a charming Easter lamb cake. This adorable cake is shaped like a lamb and adorned with fluffy coconut wool. I'll show you how to assemble and decorate this festive cake to impress your guests. As we wrap up our Easter baking extravaganza, I want to thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. I hope you feel inspired to try out some of these delicious Easter recipes and share them with your loved ones. Wishing you a joyous and sweet Easter celebration filled with love, laughter, and plenty of treats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and baking tips. Happy baking, and until next time, happy Easter!